Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you very attractive and beautiful crochet baby blanket pattern. This is a very simple and easy to make pattern of shell stitch, and in this video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern to make different sizes of baby blankets. I have made this baby blanket, and in this video I will share with you only pattern. So let's get into the video for the pattern. Okay, for this crochet project I am using a 4mm crochet hook size, and I am using two strands of 3-ply yarn together. This is a local yarn and its two strands thickness is equal to 4-ply yarn, so you can use any type of 4-ply yarn for this project as well. I don't have 4-ply yarn right now, so I am using these two strands of yarn together. So first of all, make a slip knot, and with the help of crochet hook we would make chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. In this way make a required number of chains. So I have made 31 chains. For this crochet project you will need multiples of 9 plus 4 chains, and I have made 27 chains, which is multiple of 9, and then I have added 4 chains and 31 total. So now the loop on the hook doesn't count as anything. 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch, and then we are going to skip this 4th chain as well, and we are going to work into this 5th chain. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this, go into this 5th chain from the hook, and then drop a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make chain 1 and then chain 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain right here, and then drop a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, and then pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now we are going to skip 2 chains. Skip 2 chains into the third one right here, make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches. So double crochet 1 into the same chain, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, in the next chain we are going to make 1 double crochet like this. Again skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into this third one make 1 double crochet, then make 2 chains, 1, 2, and make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Again skip 2 chains, into the third chain make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3, and then into the next chain make 1 double crochet stitch like this. So this is our pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end. Now we have 2 chains left at the end. Skip first chain and into the last chain right here make a double crochet stitch, and our first row is completed. So you can see this pattern here. Now we are going to start our next row. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Then turn up the work, and now we are going to work in the spaces between these stitches. We have 5 stitches here, so we are going to skip these first 3 stitches. This is the first one, second one, and third one. Skip these 3 stitches, and in this space between these 2 stitches we are going to make a double crochet like this. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, and then we are going to make a double crochet in this space between these 2 stitches. So make a double crochet here. Now we are going to work into this chain 2 space. So in this chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. So after making 5 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space, again we are going to skip these 2 stitches, and in this space between these 2 stitches, which is the second and third stitch, we are going to make a double crochet. Then make chain 1, chain 2, and in this space between third and fourth stitch, make a double crochet again. Repeat this process for the next chain 2 spaces and this panel of 5 double crochet stitches. Now in the end we are going to make a double crochet in this third chain of chain 3 because this is counted as a double crochet. So make a double crochet stitch in this third chain, and second row is also completed. To start the third row, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work, and in this space between second and third stitch of these 5 stitches, make a double crochet. Then make 2 chains and a double crochet in third and fourth stitch space. Then into the chain 2 space of next place, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this is our pattern, and for the rest of the pattern we are just going to repeat this row. You can change the color as well, as I have made this blanket by 2 contrasting colors by changing the color, 4 rounds with one color and then 4 rounds with the other color, so with the same pattern. So in this way you can just change the color. And for the border edge design, I have simply made a single crochet round all around the blanket, then a double crochet round, and then a shell stitch pattern round of 5 double crochet stitches and a single crochet. So if you are interested in seeing border edge pattern design as well, just let me know in the comments. I will make tutorial videos on different border edge designs for you as well, and some of them are already available on my channel. You can check out the border edge patterns which are already available on my channel as well. So I hope you guys like this very simple and beginner friendly pattern of baby blanket. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing more pattern videos of different crochet blankets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.